Once again, another interesting summation problem. Certainly, if you study enough, you're going to start to realize these are recurring themes. I'm not even sure if I've done this one before on a problem prior set, but it looks really familiar to me. And what does it look like? It's 1 over the sum of the integers from 1 up to k. For example, this one over here is sum of the integers from 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, so forth and so on, all up to 1 to 100. They want to know what the floor of 1,010 times x is, right? So I went through paper and pencil again, and I got an answer to it, and the answer I got was 2,000. So I'm going to go to Sage. I'm going to reset. You're not going to clear the screen first. I'm going to reset. I'm going to define a variable n this time. N is a variable. And n is an integer, but that's incidental at this point because I'm going to treat it as if it's an integer. And really what we're doing is we're trying to figure out what this sum is over here. So what I did first was I defined this s would be the sum of the integers from 1 to n. I know what that formula is, and that formula is going to be n star n plus 1 divided by 2. All right. Then what do? I want to define another placeholder x, and it's going to be the sum of 1 over Sn from n equals 1 to 100. Now, why am I doing that? It's what the sum is. All right, this is 1 over Sn, and we're doing it from 1 up to 100. And I know what x is. You can display x if you want, and x is this number over here. Now, that's not their question. Their question is, what's the floor of this thing over here? All right. Now, I know what x is, so I'm going to just simply say floor. And then I'm going to type in 1,010 star x. And what do I get? 2,000. Is that the answer we got? Let's go back over it. This is the answer we got by paper and pencil. Again, it's a good idea to check yourself using computer algebra systems. One is you're going to learn how to use a computer algebra system, and that's important. Thank you.